What's your favorite sound?
I like the sound of silence a lot. What's your favorite sound?
Queen do it.
I like that too.